So with all the different free investment platforms out there, which one should you choose? In today's video, I'm going to be going over Robinhood. What up, it's your boy Carlo, back at it again. And in today's video, going over Robinhood. So what is Robinhood? Free investment platform, which is very beginner friendly. It provides you basic education on how to trade, buy and sell stocks, options or ETFs, even cryptocurrency. Or if you want to get into commodities, they also have gold. Other different services that they do provide are cash management. So they will provide you a debit card and a cash like online savings account that you could get 1.8 APY. Woo! Big 1.8, baby, let's go. So pretty much I'm going to be going over the pros, the cons of using this as an investment platform, as well as a tutorial of how to get started and how to use this application. So getting started, it is pretty easy. All you need is your email address, a password, forms of identification, whether it be your ID, driver's license, or a passport. You need a phone number, your date of birth, which you need to be at least 18 years or older to apply, your home address, and your bank link information. But I already set up an account, so it's pretty easy. So when you already signed up, linked your bank account, funded your account, this is what your home screen would basically look like. So I'm using the online platform. It's almost identically the same in regards to the interface if you use your application. So just going over it, this is the home screen. I have a big whopping $122.99. Here we go. We're about to be millionaires, baby. So just going over the platform shows your total investment account and graphical representation. You could view it by different time frames. Yeah. So just going down how they have it organized, it's a very, very simple, nice, clean interface. So they categorize, woo, say that fast, categorize their popular collections. So different things, different categories you could, if you want oil and gas, tech, manufacturing, energy. So basically you could see that right over here. And pretty much the most popular and whatever you're interested in, they do categorize it, which is pretty cool. So it's pretty much categorized within sectors or the different themes that they have. And then going down, you could see the news. So news is pretty basic. They have it from the major investment news companies, Reuters, MarketWatch, Bazanga. So pretty much just generalized news about different stocks that you could find online. So as well as CNBC, MSN, Yahoo Finance. So pretty basic in regards to the news. And then going on to the next one, they'll go on to the top movers. So pretty much the top 20 stocks that have been moving up and down in regards to percent gain. And you could also categorize it right here, basically use filters to determine what criteria you really want to look for. So pretty nice. And then so that's the news, more news. All right. And then going on to the right, it has the stocks that are in your account. So I have Zanga, my free stock that I got, baby. Here we go. One that I bought was AT&T, and pretty much the watch list is over here, whichever you want to add to your watch list. But it pretty much has a default of these: Apple, Twitter, Tesla, Netflix. Another cool thing with Robinhood is that you can get free stock. So you have a 1 in 150 chance to get Facebook, Microsoft, or JP Morgan, GE, Ford, or Energy Transfers. So basically, you just got to send out your referral link. It would definitely be appreciated. or if you even want to use my referral link, it would help me as well as you. And I'll leave a link right here or a description down below, so definitely check it out. So going over the portfolio that I have, so I only have Zynga and AT&T. So just going over AT&T, when you're looking at the particular stock that you have in your portfolio, Robinhood does a really awesome way of categorizing it. So it falls under internet, 100 most popular, wireless or telecommunications, different time frames of viewing the chart, and also my equity, so how much your stock is worth versus the average cost that you bought into it. So it's pretty simplified, and the total return, so they do all the calculations, easy, simplified manner. The research about the companies is pretty basic, so you could read more about it. So it breaks down just pretty much all the basic market cap, highs and lows, PE ratio, dividend yield, location, and volume. And as I was saying, it does definitely break it down. So you could see comparable companies to whichever stock that you are looking at, and just help you do a little bit better research. Simple news in regards to AT&T. Cool thing also is your analyst rating, so it gives you who's buying, who's selling, and the rating of whether you should buy, hold, or sell. We'll have the earnings report and see if the company has made the earnings, fell short of it. So that's pretty cool right there. So all in one interface right here, dividends paid out and what people also bought in regards to AT&T. So just going over right over here, you could either buy it, sell it. So say we want to buy one share of AT&T at market price. So different ways to buy. You could either do a market order, limit order, stop loss order, stop limit, or trailing stop order. So I'll go over that maybe in another video of different type of orders. So just hit your review, and then you either buy it, and then it will set it up and buy it once the market opens. Or let's see, you could also sell it too. So just load it up, and then just different, you just set your particular order type, and then you sell it. So pretty basic in regards to the platform when you're researching stocks. Yeah, pretty much it. So they also have options. If you are into trading options, definitely something you could look at. And options are also free commission wise, so buying or call or puts. So check this area out too, which is pretty nice. Another thing that they do offer is the Robinhood cash account, which is pretty awesome. You could earn 1.8% APY for your cash account. So basically it's just like an online savings account. You could use it anytime, and they'll provide you with a Robinhood credit card, as well as you can withdraw it from a lot of different ATMs where Robinhood will refund you the money. The thing that I really liked about this one as well, it's insured by FDIC, by the government, up to 1.25 million or 250 per bank. And there's no minimums or fees in regards to getting started with this. So I know with this one, Robinhood Cash account, you have to join a wait list. But if you want to get into this, definitely look into it as well. So as you could see, that's pretty much it in regards to Robinhood as a platform. It is very basic, beginner friendly, and something you should check out if you are a beginner. The pros about investing with Robinhood is there's no account minimums, there's no ACH transfer fees, and it's 100% commission free whether you buy or sell stock, options, ETFs, cryptocurrency, and once you deposit the funds into the account, you could use the money to trade. And once you close your positions, your buying power is increased. So it's very, very quick. They are introducing fractional shares. So that means like if you want to buy Amazon and you have $10, you could still buy into Amazon at a fractional share, but there is a wait list. So something to think about as well. Their platform interface is very streamlined, organized by popular collections, top movers, news, earnings report, and all the basic stuff that you need to do when you're just researching a company. Their cryptocurrency trading is pretty cool. It's pretty basic. It's the exact same thing whether you're buying or selling stock or ETFs. They do offer the cash management account, which is a 1.8 APY, which is a lot bigger than most traditional banks out there like JP Morgan, Chase. Well, they're the woo! Better than most traditional banks. The account comes with a debit card and free ATM withdrawals, more than 75,000 ATMs, and they will refund you your money. They offer FDIC insurance up to 1.25 million, so your money is safe in their cash management account. So the okay things about this platform is that the price alerts are for only positions that you hold. So if you are trying to monitor a particular stock and you don't own it, you can't get any price alerts. The charts can't be modified beyond 6 default ranges. So if you're trying to do a minute every 30 minutes for day traders, it's very limited. And in regards to basic technical analysis, it's pretty much just to the standard like the SMA, EMA, MACD, RSI. And you can't really mark up the charts in regards to creating those lines, the ranges. And it's really, really basic on the charts. For all those technical traders out there, this one isn't for you. So the cons of investing with Robinhood is it's basic on its analysis as well as the news and the research that they provide you on that particular stock. The price quotes on Robinhood, they are delayed. They're not real-time quotes of the price of whichever particular thing that you're looking at. The lack of customability in regards to marking up your charts, because I know for me, I like to put the trend lines, the support and resistance, and just to see the overall trend in regards to how I like to do my technical analysis as well as my fundamental analysis when I am deciding whether to buy or sell. Robinhood is primarily a taxable account only, so they don't have any Roth IRAs, or any tax deferred accounts that you can use. So it's pretty much a taxable account only. There's no mutual funds or bonds that you could invest in. So for those people who like to invest in mutual funds or bonds, this is not the platform for you. Robinhood also lacks in its automated investing as well as its automatic dividend reinvestment. So this is a really big con for me in regards to making this passive. Pretty much you have to set your alerts, set your buy and sell manually. So whether it be a limit quote, market sell, you have to input it yourself. And basically, when dividends are cashed out and given to you, dividends are credited into your cash account and they're not automatically reinvested into that particular stock once the dividends are paid out. There is very, very, very little customer support. So you can't really call them. It's pretty much everything is done by email. And the company doesn't publish its phone numbers, so Their turnaround time is like 24 hours to up to 2 days, based on my own personal experience in regards to contacting Robinhood in regards to a couple of questions. They are pretty quick. There's no automated investments and there is no short selling. So, in overall, I like Robinhood in the fact that they've been a pioneer in the zero cost fees with investing. Because before, back in the day, it was at least $7 to either buy or sell when you're trading a position. Um, I wish that they automated their investing. Their fractional shares were for everyone, and just better data in regards to marking up the chart. But pretty much for beginners, this is one of the best investment platforms for you if you do decide to use a free investment application to use. Definitely check out Robinhood. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you do want to sign up. Thank you for checking out the video. Hopefully you got some value from it, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.